go deep.
Oh, wow.
Mama!
Oh my goodness! So we're going to be harvesting our cocoa today.
We should put the fertilizer too.
Of course. Closer view. Okay. Oh my goodness. Are you getting this? Goodness. See this one.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this one.
I'm gonna get this one.
Oh, wow.
Mama!
Oh my goodness! Look at this one. You look at this one. Wow. This is really huge. Big one. Oh, just imagine. This is the size of my hand. Look at this.
You can last me for 1 minute.
Wow. This is huge. Hold him.
Alim kan bangkati asli. Bangkati roots lemya.
No can.
He were on him.
What is that?
Snake.
See?
Oh, there's 3. There's 4.
Oh,
My
wow.
goodness. Mr. Savantabulu, the huge one.
Goodness, look at this.
Napa belum kan itu. Here hasil belum. Ah, God. I never tasted.
Oh. I think there's something here as well.
Yeah, I want something just. Kau ya, jogeran yang tak kau ya. Na time jogeran, you go to the kau ya, kita dan kontai lo kau ya. Na time kita dan betul ya.
Ayah. Oh, you put this spade na Mel. I'm straight me harim. Borokem this lah.
Oh yeah,
Heart shape yeah. That's a heart shape. Heart shape cocoa.
Where mommy left me?
Yeah. Heart shape cocoa yeah.
Batem bulke. Kau ni ai gila. I lost my best friend. Auntie kakak bulke. Auntie kakak is a monster.
Auntie Kaka is a monster.
Auntie Kaksi. It's the auntie monster. Pumpkin ya. Go deep.
Okay, dig again.
Okay.
Go up there. Not too close.
Yep. Sana saja. Okay.
Okay.
Leave. Hey, snake here, mommy.
What?
Snake.
Leave that. Don't touch it. Okay, you guys look for the cocoa. Okay, that's enough now. Turn the water around. Fork around. Okay, itu pula move na gianti kakak dig. Itu pula nonap. Me look itu pula yet nonap. Nah? You know where to dig or no? No.
What is happening way too
No, baby. I think that's the wrong place you're digging. That's You see, that's a place that we didn't plant any cow. You are digging there. Mol garase mami putimo se malche. You pla dig lab ya. The cow is here. Me one pla rope ya. Okay, put him one mel. That's too far. Here, okay, try dig. Quickly before it gets dark on us. Okay, Bonnie, come look for cow. Okay. Yeah.
This one gets into another one can.
Okay.
I mean, eventually won't have grand can out there.
Rosie, cow. Okay. Kakatran dig chola hap go kameol. Tupla dig na no pla cow lap. I thought I felt it, but me mas Rosie pinis tupla yan. My goodness, you guys missed a big one.
Ali, go put it up. Want a cow coming with me?
Okay, next.
Go.
Oh. Here.
You can take me.
Oh no. Oh no, that's okay.
No, mommy, I'm shooting.
Oh, you tupla sutim pinis. You see? That's how. Okay, pull him for go. Oh.
Michael Mitchell, you made a riot. You made it.
You made it.
Oh, Mitchell. And you number 2 round now. You made that in 2 rounds.
Never murder you want that to ya.
Yeah. Okay. There's some more there, still there. This time put him for go long way click.
Uncle, come dig.
Okay, you get up now. I'm night penis. You get up nanti kakak put it for now.
Deal.
There's one. Okay. Put your hand then.
Oh no, I'm ground.
Oh Jesus.
No, wait. Me feel one sir. No, I'm ground, yeah. Uncle, wait.
Okay.
You can find more.
Okay. There's one here. Alright, so this is our harvest for our cow pear Shamyoni 7. These are the ones that we cut and dug while we were harvesting. These ones are the good ones in that box. These ones are the good ones. Alright, that's it. Good night now.
Time to go pen.